Faster, more intuitive, and more resilient than ever before, the new MAGURA VYRON MDS-V3 has been developed with exactly one goal in mind: the ultimate in trail enjoyment. Speed is what counts, and that's what you get. The latest Bluetooth technology enables lag-free communication between the seat post and the remote to give you intuitive control. Decide for yourself at the touch of a button how long you want to adjust the seat post. You don't have to rely on a fixed time interval. The hydraulic components inside are also rigorously designed for speed. A new servo motor regulates the oil flow between the chambers, ensuring lightning-fast lowering. The sealed IP67 rated battery housing can even withstand short periods of immersion in water, making it ready for even the toughest days on the trail. For better protection of the post, the new Vyron doesn't have a charging port. Instead, it relies on a replaceable CR2 lithium battery that supplies power for up to 1 year. The MAGURA VYRON is available in 2 diameters and 4 travel variants between 100 and 175 millimeters. Exchangeable inner tube bases provide even greater variability. In just a few simple steps, the longest version can be lowered by 25 millimeters, and the 100 millimeter version can be extended to 125 millimeters. The new remote is ergonomically placed on the underside of the handlebar. It is easily accessible with the thumb in all situations, giving you continuous full control. Faster and smarter than ever before for infinite fun on the trail. MAGURA VYRON.